Yo, what you saying? Back with another video on this Micra. Today is going to be a little drive thing and a POV. So I got this camera in my hand, slap that on my head, but I'm going to split it into two different videos. I'm not going to have the POV in this video. So it's going to be two separate ones. It's going to be walk around outside. The car needs cleaning first. But before I do all of that, I need to go to the shop, buy a couple of things, and then bring it back, and then go do the rest. Plus the car. Did I mention that the car needs cleaning? The car needs cleaning. So let's hope I can get it over and done with. I'm not quite sure what time is, because obviously the time's on the phone that I'm using to record. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for a lit video with the shifts. I was saying manual gearbox, but I'm gonna do some on this because it's on like a windscreen mount right now, and then the walk around with this. I also need to find a very good spot to actually get out of the car and like talk about it, as well as talking about it while I'm driving. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for a great video. I'm just heading down to the car wash now. Everything's done. I've been to the shop and brought the things in back that needed to go back there for a partner, innit? But yeah, gonna go clean the car now, and then head somewhere good to see if I can try and make a good video for y'all, innit? You hear that? That's the exhaust that I was telling you about. You can hear it even better when I put the windows down. But I pray to God that this car wash that I'm heading to is one, not packed, and two, working, because sometimes it's down where it's not working. Probably maintenance or something. But yeah, I just want it to be quick and simple, because I want to hope and get this done so I can go back home and chill out. It's not a bad thing to do on a Saturday, is it? But I just seen this shaking a little bit. I hope that the video doesn't come out all shaky, because that would be rubbish, innit? Yeah, it is coming across quite shaky from what I'm seeing. But it's 30-mile-an-hour road right here. See, I can't even give you no little blast down the road so you can hear what it sounds like. I might take it on the motorway, bearing in mind the motorway is a good idea, because at least then I could do 70 and weave in and out of traffic and that. I don't do that, guys. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I don't mess around. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get this car wash over and done with, and then we can proper crack on with the video. But apparently this is like 82, I would say 80 bhp, something like that. I need to look it up. It's a 1.2 petrol. It is quite nippy. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, it's quite decent. I like this car. Nice little run around light car. That would always win my heart over a bigger car. I do like big cars, don't get me wrong, but it's just something about these little, I wouldn't exactly call it a dinger, because it's not. Some people might call it a dinger, but it drives, it's got no problems. So why call it a dinger? The body's not in terrible condition, and it's bearing in mind it's a late 2005. It's a 55 plate car, so late 2005/2006, last part of 2005. So yeah, it's not like it's an absolute bag of shite. See, like I was just about to swear again, but see, I didn't. Mommy, I'm doing good. I'll cut out the swearing, Mom. Come on, man, come on. I have a feeling that this car wash is going to be packed, you know. I really do. Oh my God. It's going to be a long one. Oh my God, you guys, I'm here, and there's only two cars waiting. There's one in there, and then two at the back of the line. So yeah, I've only got it's not a long wait, so that's absolutely great. Look, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Look, see, only two cars ahead of me, and there's one in there. So yeah, I reckon this when I come out of it and show you. So I have found a great spot to do some filming on this car. So let's jump out and talk about little things. Starting from the outside. Right, so let's pop the bonnet. Ugh. So when you get older, right, you start making funny noises like that. When you do a little crouch down or whatever. But with this, right, see with the bonnet, there is little stone chips on there, but that's minor because of its age. But there's the 1.2 engine. Yeah. And see the wiper blades that I've fixed. You can't really see it because it's under all that plastic, but that was a quick job, easy job. But yeah, I actually really like the colour. It's a brand new tyre there. Police, you can't stop me and chat shit. Oh dear, I swore. Oh dear. But yeah, what needs doing is the headlights need cleaning, need polishing off, because this one's actually worse than that one. But yeah, that's the Micra, man, 1.2. Little runaround thing. I absolutely love it. The inside is clean, even though the floor on my side needs cleaning. The radio's missing because I took it out. It was draining the battery. Some stupid aftermarket one that the car came with, whoever I bought it from. Yeah, it was draining the bloody battery. Look, back of the car's decent. Wind down windows. See, this is the exhaust that I'm talking about. This is I forgot what this exhaust is called. Cherry bomb exhaust, I think it's called. So they've got a very distinctive sound. And there's the boot. Alright, size. There's my baby's things. One of them actually threw it off the balcony as I was leaving. But yeah, little scratch on that side. That was there when I got the car. So I don't say anything. I can drive, I can park. But yeah, it just needs a buff around some areas where I can see little fingerprints and a bit of smudges. But yeah, other than that, it's a clean 2005 car. Good on fuel, cheap tax, cheap insurance. It's a win-win situation. So yeah, let's get back in the car. And I think that's about, well, no, let's start on the inside. I was just about to end it there. So it's got one automatic window. This one's not automatic, the passenger side. Let's start it. Straighten out the wheel. So yes, there's the rev counter. Revs to 6.5. There's a fuel gauge, speedo, and I don't know why the engine light is on, but yeah, the engine light's on. Got a mirror on this side. Got a mirror on that side. See, not many cars, right? There is some cars where the passenger side mirror is not there. It's not equipped with one. Stereo's missing. The glove box is quite good. Big size. See, look, I'm going to get this out and do the POV after I've done this one. The door bins, they're quite narrow, but you can still fit like little objects down there. This is where you adjust all the mirrors. And the headlight adjust, like the headlight. This is where you adjust the headlight, man. Get it right. So this is the stereo buttons, but you can't, I can't do anything with them, so they're just dead to me right now. But yeah, climate control, two cup holders, little tray to put little things on. There's a little ashtray, but I keep bolts in there. Yeah, and there's another cup holder there. 5-speed, yes, a manual handbrake and a manual gearbox. This is where you lock and unlock the car. And see, right there is a mirror, like I don't know what you call that, but that's to help you park. You see how you can see the wheel, the floor better? I actually had it on this side, but I picked it off. I don't know why. I should have left it, but yeah. That's the Nissan Micra, mate, the inside. So you guys, yeah, that's the Nissan Micra 2005. You finally got the video that I said I was going to do. I've finally done it, finally got it done. I actually completely forgot to mention the wheels. They are 16s, I think. Where's the tyre size now? There we go. Yeah, 16. So you've got disc at the front and drums at the back. Very, I would say, practical, because you don't have to change all 4 discs and pads, even though you got shoes in the back. Where when I first got the car, let me point at myself. When I first got the car, the shoes at the back were completely worn. There was nothing there. Like, how the hell did the person that sold me that car, waste man, actually think, oh yeah. The thing is, right, I knew that he knew that he wouldn't pass the MOT without fixing certain things. So to get this road legal, it cost me a bit of money. So the whole car itself cost me £350. I'm gonna tell you that right now. And then I spent an extra, say, 400, maybe 5, to get it right. Like little niggly things that I had to change. One, he gave it to me with no locking nut, so all of them had to be cut off. And that was £10 per wheel. That's £40 right there. And then it had to be MOT'd twice. Once where the place where I got it from, which is like 2.5, nearly 3. Well, was 3 hours away from where I live. So yeah, that's the Nissan Micra, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Comment your thoughts down below. Hit the like button and subscribe. Now I'm about to hit you with the POV, which is coming after this video. So yeah, make sure you watch that and watch this, and I'll catch you in the next one.